He's a lost guy.
Los Alamitos.
Los Alamitos. Okay. So yeah, putting the sod, the grass go in, and that's about it for this project. As you can see, we add some planter mix, topsoil, clean dirt. Take like 4 cono, 5. Take out the cono here. Put it in my truck. Yeah. Marathon 2. So this is it. Oh, how are you here? Right, you got it? Hey, the tree, just go right, huh? Just go, no, just go right against the tree. No space.
Okay, like I said. All the grass is gonna be along here.
Yes. Okay.
Make sure they make love to the tree and the grass. It's a big group right there.
It's okay. Go on the top. So we're putting a sprinkler system, everything in there. Yeah. Date cimento da máquina. Ay, tante. Huh? That's what, dirt? That's dirt? Okay. Yep. If you need anything, there's the info. Aloha Concrete. Ray, 1 hour I come back, huh? Or maybe 30 minutes. Half hour. 20 minutes? Okay, I come pick you up. Okay, with the rake here. If you a little bit, put it right here. Huh? Make a nice slope down.
Yeah, I got it.
Good.
Yeah.
This guy's right here. Like, where's your shirt, Ray? You know, I'm shooting a video, putting it on the YouTube, and you're not wearing your shirt. Look it. It's a hotel and a bathroom. Hotel on this side and a bathroom, restroom. Okay. So, vámonos. Okay. So we're about to go to start another project. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. It's Marathon 2. Okay. So we had the skid steer today. We're gonna go do some demolition on the next project. Thank you for watching, Dante. Ray. Hey, I come back in 20 minutes. Vámonos, Dante. Dante, when you go Tompe, stop by Resource, get another scoop of the planter mix, huh? Huh? For the planter.
Water.
Hey, Dante, it's okay. Yeah. Give me one water, Ray, please. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
See?